I think they're just a bit chunky there and there, so I'm going to take a bit of weight off them. So I'll just show you that from the side, have a look at it in all its kind of unfinished glory. I'll show what I do. I'm not going right up to the very top because I'm nervous to lose some height. So I'm not even doing any of this fancy motion, I'm just taking like a straight edge off. Then we can compare it to the other side. Blend it into the curve a little bit. Take it a bit higher. Now, can you see the difference? It's got a bit more sort of finesse, a bit more like a nice piece of jewellery there. That one's just a bit overly heavy. That's the side I haven't touched yet. Just that rounded section there just adds the sort of balance of the ring is sort of pushing out there. If you take weight off that top corner, this makes it much more like a nice piece of jewellery, and it's like the shanks leading up to the stones, like ta-da! Here are the stones. So I think it's nicer to finish your shank like that. So basically, essentially what I've done is, I may even take a little bit more off, but that distance that goes around the bottom half of the shank, so it's a sort of beginner's mistake, just stop there and start letting it go wider, which is what has sort of happened there. Just bring it up a little bit, up to sort of more like, I don't know what you call that, from halfway to there, like two-thirds of that half. And then just go straight up from that point, up to the top of the shoulder. But when you file in, don't take height off the very end, because you need that for setting. And it's not a difficult thing to do really. Once you've done it once, it's easy from then.